Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the necessary access and that Bluetooth is enabled. This avoids permission hurdles. Open Settings and go straight to Bluetooth or connected devices. You don't need extra apps. Once done, scan the list and note paired entries you want removed. Make sure each device is awake and nearby so the system can reconcile active vs. remembered devices. If prompted, disable any active connections before attempting removal to prevent reconnection while you work. Now you execute deletions. Tap Remove or Forget for each paired device one at a time. This clears pairing keys. For many devices, use built-in management tools or, on advanced systems, a terminal command to list and bulk unpair. This saves time. Once you've removed several, restart Bluetooth or toggle airplane mode briefly to flush temporary states. Make sure to check both system settings and any vendor apps that may re-add devices, and remove entries there too, to avoid surprises. Finish by rebooting the device so the OS writes and persists the removal of paired devices. This prevents ghosts. Verify the Bluetooth list is empty, and if not, reset network settings which clears saved pairings while keeping personal data. If a device stubbornly reappears, clear the Bluetooth cache on mobile or remove vendor drivers and reinstall on desktop. One troubleshooting tip: if pairs persist, perform a targeted factory reset only after backing up. This guarantees removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.